Hello guys, are you curious about how much time do you spend on your Android? Don't worry guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can track our screen time on our phone, especially on Samsung. Okay, first of all, go to your settings, and then after that scroll down your screen and then find battery and device care. It's right here, and then click on the battery option. And after that, click on this chart. Okay. All right. And this is your screen time, guys. Since the last full charge, this is your screen time. And then you can also track how long you use each app on your phone. You just gotta scroll your screen like this and check it one by one. And you can also check the screen time on last 7 days right here. And click on the bar like this. Alright. Okay guys, that's how we can track our screen time in our phone, and especially on Samsung. Maybe the other phone might be different, but just remember you can track your screen time by using battery usage option on your settings. Alright, that's all from me guys. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!